Yeah, buddy. That's your biggest barra yet?
Biggest barra.
How good. Righto, next stop on the North Queensland adventure is this one, Barra Down Under. I told you we're going to come and catch a barra the Savo. So this is about 13 minutes out of Mission Beach as you're heading out towards the Bruce Highway. There's a bloke in here called Ryan. Him and his partner run Barra Down Under. Now it's a barra farm, and you can also come here and cast lures and poppers into the dam, catch your own barra, can't you, Jacko?
So good.
How many did you catch last time?
3.
3. So there you go.
I could have caught more, but I was generous and gave him to Billy and Charlie.
Yeah, righto. But he was frothing. But anyway, so if you can't catch a barra on your own, come in here. It's pretty much a sure thing. But what happened is that we rolled in here last time, and the fellow who owns the joint, Ryan, I'll get him to tell you a bit more about the joint. He actually knows some of Beck's family, and so we got chatting, and he's like, when you come back through, come and camp up, mate. So that's what we're doing. We're going to go and camp up, have a cook up, have a barra fish this afternoon. Pretty cool spot, eh?
Very nice.
Here's the man himself, Ryan.
Hey, how are you guys? What's happening?
Oh, we just come to park up with the legend for an arvo, have a few beers and catch some barra. What do you reckon?
Welcome.
Happy
Boys
days.
trip, I love it.
It's so good, man. Where do you want us?
Yeah, mate, just keep cruising down there. Just just park up over near that the blue building.
Pool shack.
There and,
Oh yeah, back in the shade there.
Yeah, mate,
Sick.
yeah. There is a bit of shade over there.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
And there's a pool too.
Oh, well, it's actually got water in it. Oh. Even better.
I'll see you over there.
Righto. So this is where Ryan's put us up for the night, right next to the pool. Got exciting plans for this one, so he's going to put like a new shop and sort of camping area on that pad there and through the bush. So hopefully that all goes ahead. And in that big empty dam there, he's got plans for some aqua golf. So I reckon give it another year or so, and this place is going to be a must-see on your travels through North Queensland. Give us a quick take on what it's all about, mate. Like, how'd you come to own this job?
Yeah, mate. Well, we've been here about 3.5 years now. It was pretty run down when we took it over. So we produce about 15 to 20 tonne of barramundi. We sell that down to Brisbane, commercial farm. But we also do fishing, tourist fishing. So people can come in, catch a barra, and you can probably see Jack over there.
He's in the big pond. He's in the big fish pond.
Going for the big ones. He's caught quite a few in here, but he wants a big one. So fingers crossed, I reckon we'll get onto one.
It's good. So it's kind of like it's a fish farm, but it's also a tourist-based activity as well.
Right. Yep.
And I'll tell you what, man, we come here, we won't be able to drive past this place on the way to Mission without stopping anymore, because the kids are like, let's go and catch a barra. It's super easy to get one in here. Really well run. But is there anything you can tell me about like the science behind it? Like the fish here, they're farmed fish, but they look like natural.
Yeah, we do things a little bit different here, and we don't use any chemicals here on the farm at all. So the water it's beautiful, crystal clear water. No chemicals. The food we use is like fish meal, fish oil based, which is just it's a natural product pretty much. And it's very close to what they naturally eat in the wild. So we're trying to break that stigma about the freshwater barra being it's got that muddy flavour and all that. They just don't here. No. And here they're silver. You'll see them soon. But
yeah, for sure.
They're silver, yellow tail. It's not really associated with freshwater barramundi, but it's we're just trying to make a difference. Do it, keep it small, do it well. Healthy fish, healthy people. It's
killing it. Yeah. No, seriously, we'll get fish in the Savo, and Ryan's going to feed the fish. I'll show you that. But you wait till I show you some photos of these fish. They're not farmed freshwater barramundi. Like, it's crazy. So very great spot. Appreciate you having us, mate.
Mate, love it. Yeah, welcome anytime.
Like everyone I said before, it's kind of like well, we come in here a few weeks ago, and just off randomly, old mate here, Ryan, knows one of my wife's cousins, and it's like, what is it, 6 degrees of separation, you know what I mean? So we got chatting, and we've come back past, and we've managed to stay here and have a yarn. So I'll give you a look around, I'll get the drone up, and then we'll go for a fish at Savo. And you've seen us catch a few crays this morning early. We'll cook a few of those tails up as well. But cheers, mate, appreciate it.
Good on you, mate. No, love it.
So if you're wondering what I'm talking about, crayfish, head back and watch this episode here. It's from the morning before we hit the barra farm. We actually go and do a bit of a reef mission with Trav from Aim Right, and we clean up on some big crays. So get over there now and watch that one if you want, or it'll be at the end of this video. You can check it out. All right, we'll see if we can show you one of these barra. Sun's starting to go down, they're starting to fire up in there.
We got one.
There you go, boss man showing you how it's done. This is how you do it, Jack. Yeah, good. Bring him up.
There we go.
Nice.
Look at that.
Look how silver that fish is. Like, that is mental. If we pick him up for you.
I'll get the dangerous bit out of the way for you, mate.
The hook's out. Well, you did power hook him too. We'll have a look at this for a little fish. It's slippery. It's like you've just picked it up out of a saltwater creek. Pretty as, super silver. And Ryan reckons like when you eat them, they're not like a damn sort of dirty water tasting barra. They're like as close to a saltwater barra as you'll get, but you can sort of tell by the way they look, eh? So good. Alright. What's the biggest fish someone's caught here?
Metre 2. We've got some metre fish here.
Metre 2.
Yeah.
Alright.
And that was a while ago too, so they'll be bigger in there.
Let's see if we can get one. Showing the young fella how it's done.
I already caught it
Doesn't
before.
matter, mate. We didn't get it on camera. I don't count. Hey?
Mine was bigger than that.
Look at that fella. Hey? Yours is bigger.
Yep.
Like I said, there's no proof, mate. Doesn't count. We'll get these out. Double hook up, Jacko. Hey?
Woo!
Oh,
I feel like mine's bigger than
it's about time you got one.
Mine's actually
I've been slaying you. Oh, actually, it's that. Oh, there you go. Bring it over here. You pick him up. Pick him up by the leader. There you go. The sunset double hookup on barra. How bloody good.
Wait, lay him down, Susie's is bigger.
Lay him down. Oh, I reckon they're a pigeon pair, mate. Look at that. If anything, mine's bigger for sure.
No, mine's bigger.
No, mine's bigger.
Nah.
Mine's heaps bigger.
Nah. Wait, we got
It's
the
so
same
much
poppers,
fun,
just
eh?
different colours.
Jack reckons his lure is too big, so I just had a throw with it and caught the barra. Oh, good one too. Popper's too big, you reckon, Jack?
Yeah.
Oh, he's the biggest fish in the pond, I reckon.
I reckon the jags are just a bit loose.
Yeah, you're right. Right. He's a good fish. I'll take it. Alright. What's that? About number 20 in about half an hour, 40 minutes.
5 and I've already got like 7.
No, all together.
You've got 6 and I've got 7.
Ah, 6, 7. Ah. How many have we caught, do you reckon? We've probably caught like 20. Do you reckon?
Yeah, I reckon.
In the last hour? We're
I've
just
caught
cleaning
so
up.
many.
So much fun.
I caught 3.5 quarters of them.
Yeah, but you can't go to like a creek or something and catch barra like that. Like, they just don't feed like they do here. But they fight and they eat exactly the same way, so it's like very authentic way to catch barra, but just in big numbers. It's wicked. Yeah, Oi, we're going to feed the fish, so I think this is a daily occurrence?
Absolutely, yep. The baby ones get fed 6 times a day,
Yep.
but these ones are just on 1 time a day now. So
There you go.
they feed about, depending on their size, about 3 to 5% of their body weight every day. And
Wow.
you should get, within a year, you should get about 2 kilograms of growth in a year.
There you go.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'll sit it here, we'll throw the pellets in, I'm going to put the drone up too, so you can see these fish going nuts. I reckon it'll be a fair frenzy. Holy smokes! Wow!
What if there's not popper in the middle of that?
Wow! It sounds like fireworks. Look at him go! How come you can't catch a fish in there, Jack? Look how many there is.
I caught more than you!
Wow! They're just going off. I just figured out how you can catch more, mate. We'll make a lure that looks like these for you.
Yeah, we'll put one in.
Hey? Couple of them on the back of your popper. See how you go. Send it. Whoa.
Fireworks. Yeah, you can't keep up with them.
And this is only the small pond. I reckon when we go to the big pond, they're going to be hitting way harder than that. Oh yeah.
What if you
Before we get wet.
What do you reckon about this joint?
Pretty sick.
You ever fed 6,000 barramundi before?
No.
Nah, me either. That was pretty cool, eh? We're going to go and flick this big pond before we feed them, so hopefully we can hook one and catch a big barra before they get their daily feed. Look at them, they're following the buggy, they know it's dinner time. Oh, I missed it.
So many hooks.
You just dropped a meter barra. How do you feel? What are you doing? Oh, we're on here. We've hooked a couple of them, but yeah, we've got to keep the weight on them. Just as frustrating as wild barramundi, don't worry about that.
Not even a shark out there.
Oh, there we go, there we go. Oh, yeah, boy. Now we're onto one. Yeah. Oh, he just jumped about 6 foot in the air. Can you get yours out of the way there, Jack?
Yeah, I think it is.
Oh, they go a whole lot harder than the little ones in the little pond. Don't worry about that. Hey? There you go. Be a bit better. Oh, he's a solid fish. Look at this. Hoo-wee. Come on. Ah, there we go. Charlie. Look out, Pooch. We'll bring him up here. Oh. Look at that. You beauty. Hey? He's a good 65, 70 centimetre barramundi. Silver. Hey, angry. That good. Man, this is so much fun, eh? So much fun. Alright, let's send him home. Legend. That's epic.
That's definitely bigger than Dad's, mate. Definitely.
No way it's bigger than mine. Hey? It's a good fish though, isn't it? Yeah. What do you call him?
I don't know, maybe trout.
Trout?
Yep.
It's a barra goose. Oh, look out, the dog's got him.
Hey.
Oh, I reckon he's bigger than mine. That's a good fish.
He's fatter. He's definitely
He's
bigger.
a solid barra. Yes. High five, mate. Ooh.
Oh no. Oh, Charlie.
Oh, look out.
See if you can get him. Here we go. Legends. Thanks, mate.
Yeah, buddy. That's your biggest barra yet.
Biggest barra.
How good?
Yet.
Yet.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait till we get to the Pentecost, you might get a bigger one. How pretty is that fish?
So good. Ready for the release?
Yeah, send him. Walk him down the bank and let him go. If you hold your thumb in its mouth and just lay him in the water, he will swim
Can I
away.
just spear him?
Oh, let him swim away. Put your thumb in the water, lay him down. Yep. Oh, sort of. Swim him a bit.
Right.
Swim him. There you go.
Oh, look at him. He's massive.
Oh, in the big pond, mate. Oh, he's pulling drag too. Woo!
Hope he doesn't jump because he's
Oh, it's going to be a big fish. There you go. Just keep the weight on him, you'll be right. Oh, look at the bow wave out there. Oh, my Lord.
Oh!
Oh!
That thing's enormous.
That's a big fish, Jack. Big fish. What's in this pond, Ryan? Meters?
Yeah, meters, mate. Yeah. Sort of 85 to meters. Yeah.
He's coming in. Jeez, he's a big horse, fella. Look at the oh my lord. It's enormous. Hey? Wow. Look at that thing. Oh, nice.
That's the biggest one I've caught.
That is huge. He's a big fish, Roo.
Got him.
Hey? Holy moly, he's a monster. Yeah. Alright, dinner done. Look at that. Fresh crayfish and salad, mate. We're sitting at Barra Down Under. Thanks so much for having us, guys, eh?
Appreciate it.
Really appreciate it. It's been a belter of an arvo. We've had a cracking day, me and Jack. And what a way to finish it off. Sit down, have a beer, and fresh crayfish with some new friends, mate. So, anyway, cheers to that. Tomorrow, what are we going to do? We'll be on the hunt for something else. We'll be going to wash the boat and sending it west. So, enjoy, guys. We'll see you in the next one. You.
Good on you guys.
Alright, that's our scene for the morning. Today's a big day. First up, coffee, but we have to clean the boat, get everything out of the boat I need for the next part of the trip, get everything out of the car that I don't need, leave it in the boat, clean the boat up, unhook the boat, leave it at a mate's, and then send it probably 3 hours out of Cairns. So yeah, we've got a big day. Say goodbye to the Barra farm.
You. Bye.
We'll be back next year to get that meatery, eh?
Yep.
Yeah.
I already caught one.
Man, this place is epic. I wish we could have a down day here, but we've got a serious amount of k's to cover, so we're heading towards Cairns.
When you're in mission, you need to stop at the pocket. It's so good.
It actually is, mate. It's a perfect little stop on the Bruce Highway, but the coffee and the smoothies, that's all we've had here, are amazing. And if you didn't know, it's owned by Az from Back to Basics. So last time we were lucky enough he was here when we dropped through and got a photo. Absolute legend of a bloke, eh? So nice to stop in and support local and good fellas, but we're heading north. See you later, Pocket. See you later, Mission Beach.